Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on the Not Too Shabby channel today. And I have sneak peek day 2 for you for the September box of the month. And I'm going to share the Hedgehogs paper pad, the Hedgehogs ephemera, and the Hedgehogs stamp set, and we're going to make a quick card. We're just going to make one card today because I am going to make this as a process. You know, that's not my favorite thing to do, but I am going to make it as a process here on the channel. And so yeah, let's get started. So let me show you all the papers in the Hedgehogs paper pad. So cute paper pad. Personally, I need to make a lot of masculine birthday cards this month and this season, and I think this one would be perfect for it. So you're going to get 4 sheets of each. And so the very first sheet is my favorite in the paper pad. It's these cute little hedgehogs with their apples on a light green background. And then we have the light green background on the back with a print of little acorns and leaves, tone on tone. Then we have, our next one is a sheet of just apples on a light green background with stars. And then we have some polka dots that go with those colors. And then we have our little triangle pattern with the little patterns all in it. And then our little signature glitter sheets that we put in almost every paper pad. So we have some dark brown glitter, which is why you have this dark brown, just solid piece of paper. It's because it matches, and it matches the back here of this this plaid. Personally, I think this is a kind of a suede looking plaid. I think that square right there looks kind of like it's suede. So I like that pattern too. And then we have a tone on tone leaf pattern with some baskets of apples. And then you have your same color green glitter sheet. And then we have a tone on tone acorns. And then on the back we have some apples and baskets and hedgehogs and little acorns on the back in the background. So that is the Hedgehogs paper pad. Absolutely adorable. So then the next thing we have is the ephemera, and it's also called Hedgehogs. And I am just going to stop talking and speed this up and, you know, just lay them out so you can see them. So we have some cute little hedgehogs with apples and some with the to-go cups, one in a hat. Some apples, some acorns, a bunch of little leaves. You've got great accents pieces there. Then we have a hedgehog in a book, reading a book, and then we have with an umbrella, and then this cute little roly-poly hedgehog. So a great, great little set here, and show you the stamp. So we have our cute little hedgehogs stamp. So everything in this collection is named hedgehogs. The paper pad, the stamp, and the ephemera. And if you are not a subscriber to the box of the month, you can buy the paper pad and the ephemera separately. The only way you can get the stamp set is to subscribe to the box of the month. And I don't know if the box of the month is sold out. I'm sorry, I forgot to check with Jamie on that before I made the video, but I will have the link to where you can sign up for the box of the month and or get on the waiting list to be notified if it comes in stock. So on the hedgehog stamp set, you have the hedgehog with the book, with the umbrella, with the apple, with the coffee cup, and with the little roly-poly hedgehog. The only hedgehog you don't have in the stamp set that's in the ephemera is the one wearing the hat. And I love the sentiments in this set because, remember I said I need lots of masculine birthday stamp cards for my church card ministry, and there are two stamps in here that I think would pair perfectly with a happy birthday stamp as well. Sending you hedgehogs, you could put on the outside of the stamp, and then stamp sending you hedgehogs, happy birthday on the inside. Then you have enjoy every page, could go with the book, thank you. Rain or shine, have a happy birthday. So you could pair that with a happy birthday stamp. Rolling by to say hi. You could even mask off the hi and say rolling by to say happy birthday. And that could go with that cute little roly-poly hedgehog. And then the other sentiment is caffeine and cuddles. So great, great stamp set. So let's pull this back in. And then we have our hedgehogs paper pad. And then our stamp set is sneak peek number 2. And I'll be back in just a second and we'll make a quick card. Okay, we're going to do a quick no scrap card. Okay, so I am first going to cut my card, my piece of pattern paper to 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to save that piece. We're going to use this side here. We'll come back and do that in a minute. And then we're going to use this side, and we're going to cut it at 5 1/4. And so, we're going to need that for a second. Really inexpensive paper, real thin paper. Really inexpensive thin paper that I got from Walmart to go on the inside of a card base when I have a very dark card base. So we're going to cut this at 3 3/4 by 5. And that's going to go on the inside. Okay, so this card's going to come together really, really quick. Okay, so this is the card base for our outside of our card. I'm using a brown card base. And then we're going to use this pattern piece and we're going to put it right there. Okay, and we're going to use some Love from Lizzie strips. I will have these linked in the description box down below if I can. I do have an affiliate link, and Jamie is okay with me sharing my affiliate link. I will have that listed in the description box down below. And if I can, the last time I tried to do this, I couldn't get onto the program that I needed to get the affiliate link, so I will try my best. Okay, so I am going to put, well, no, we're going to put this long one right here because I don't think we're going to need the full length on the other side. These are the, I'll just link to the regular, to the whole, you know, peel-offs. They're called peel-off. I call them strips. But I'll just link to the whole thing, and you can pick whatever colors you want. But this is a green chrome color. Let's see if I have pieces that I can use. Okay. And this is the part that's going to take the most time. Getting this strip nice and straight, and we'll put this piece right down here. We have that little seam, but it's not going to matter because you won't be able to see it, because we're going to put our little roly-poly hedgehog right there. And I could put him on a doily, but I don't think it really needs it. Let's go ahead and finish our gluing. If I can get this open. And we'll put our card on the inside. So we have that. And then we're going to accent it with our strip here. And then we're going to make a little flag to go at the top. It's a little, the pattern is actually a non-directional pattern, so it doesn't matter. The other side is directional. So let's put that up there. And we're going to add in our two little accents. We have our leaf and then our acorn. Okay, and that's the inside, but we're going to come back and do something to it. And let's see. Okay, So I'm going to bring in my stamping tool, and we are going to, this is awesome. We are going to stamp right on the really light background there. We're going to use some washi tape in just a second, because we're going to just stamp rolling by to say. So I'm using my Catherine Pooler ink pad and Macchiato. It's a kind of a dark brown. And then you take your washi tape off. Don't forget to do that, or you will be sorry. And I'm going to, see, I've got rolling by to say, and then I'm going to take a dark brown. I have all kinds of colored ink pens. And I am going to put dot, dot, dot with my brown ink pen, so it's the same color of the ink. And then we are going to pull out an older stamp set. I had it right here. I don't know what I did with it. It's the older stamp set. It's called Mootiful Buddies. I think it's still in stock. I'm not sure. I did not check before. If it's in stock, it'll be linked in the description box down below. And I am going to use the sentiment that says, it's your birthday. Rolling by to say, it's your birthday. There we go. So we have our nice little hedgehog, and we just need one more little touch. We have rolling by to say, it's your birthday. I love it. Okay, so we're going to add these sparkling magical enamel dots in this color, this strip that came with the box of the month. Of course, you might get a different color in your box of the month, but so there we have our sweet little card, birthday card. And please let me know in the comments down below what you think. Could this be a masculine card? I think so. So anyhow, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.